What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with a little Saturday fun day rip. We got some Optic football for you. We got 4 blasters. These are from the Walmart stock. We have purple shock parallels that we're looking for, downtowns, uptowns, dual downtowns. Hopefully we'll be lucky today to pull one of those. If not, we're having fun. We're having a great time. So I'm going to open these up and I'll be right back. All right, we are back. We got all 4 blasters open. We got 24 packs. Let's get into it. Just going to put 3 to the side over here, and then we'll work our way to the end. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Super awesome over here in Dallas. Nice and humid. All right, here we go. Buckner, Cup, Trayvon Diggs for your Cowgirls on the silver. Bo Nix to start us off. Nice, we'll take that. Nice little hit. Put him over there. Boom. Looks like we got a mem card in this one. Just keep it moving. See if we can get a good mem card. Chris Jones. Pull from the back. We got Joe Milton. Right, and Jerzon Newton for our purple shock. And our OTB, DTB, WHA, don't know who that is. Who we have? Will Anderson Jr. All right, that's pretty cool. Nice little hit right there. Put him over there for your Texans. All right, and then Chris Jones. All right. Third, we got 4 more packs to go. Be nice to hit that downtown, uptown, dual downtown. All right, we got Jarrett Stidham, Juju. We got purple shock of Marvin Harrison Jr. Let's go. That's a win for me. Boom, baby. Then we got Brendan Rice. Nice. That is nice. Super excited about that. Nice little Ohio State alumni. Let's go. 3 more to go. Blasters already won in my book. Zay Flowers, TJ Hawkinson, Max Melton on the hollow, and Malachi Corley with the big scratch going down the card. Boom and boom. 2 more packs in the first blaster. All right. Romeo Dobbs, Jalen Ramsey. We got our next purple shock. We got Devin Leary. Purple shock of Eric All for your Bengals. There you go. And that should be all she wrote for the purple shocks. Adam Thielen, Mostert, passing grade of JJ McCarthy. That's nice. A little bit off center, but we'll take it. Jermaine Burton. All right, there you go. Put that right there again. Put him up there. Nice little hit. All right, let's get these out of the way. And we'll get to the next blaster. Tomorrow we got a Heritage High Number. And then we got some Bowman Baseball. We got some more Totally Certified coming. I got 2 more premium boxes on hand, and I got Megas and Blasters on the way. Plus, we'll be getting the Fat Packs when they come in. Such a great product. Here's our first purple shock. Let's pull from the back. We got Vital. All right, and who we have? Cooper DeJean. That's nice. That's a good one. We'll take that. All right. All right, Shakir, Cameron Jordan. Zay Flowers on the hollow. Chris Braswell on the rated rookie. All right, here we go. We got Schultz, Derek Carr. We got Max Melton on a rated rookie. We got Torrey Taylor for your Bears. It would be nice to get a Caleb Williams. I think that's all of our. Maybe I think we got one more purple shock. Maybe. I don't know. We got Montez Sweat, Stevenson, Spencer Rattler on the rookie recruits, and Xavier Worthy. All right, there you go. These all organized, sliding everywhere. There we go. Patrick Mahomes, Jordan Addison, Garrett Wilson, another Ohio State alumni, Jonathan Brooks. Nice. We'll take that. Last pack of the second blaster. Keep it moving. Deuce Vaughn, Jalen Waddle, and ooh, nice. We got JJ McCarthy on the purple shock. We'll take that. And Bucky Irvin, okay. Nice. Boom and boom. Nice way to end on that blaster. These out of the way. So a lot of nice hits coming out of these blasters. Of course, we're looking for those case hits. You can also get that blue sparkle or the emojis, the fire emojis. All right, got Mustache Gardner Minshew. Let's go. Jamal Williams, first purple shock. Caleb Williams, let's go. That's a good start. Maurice LaFleur for your Cowgirls. Keep it moving. Right, here we go. Javonte Williams, Kyrene Williams, and Brendan Fisk. All right. So we got our next purple shock. Luke McCaffrey, Dylan Lobb, or yeah, I guess that's Lobb. Not sure if I said that correctly, but I'm sure someone will tell me down in the comments. Here we go. Luke Musgrove, Sam Darnold, nice Drake May on the rookie recruits, and Delvin Culp. All right, so all we're missing is Michael Penix Jr. And I think we got all the quarterbacks. Oh, no, we don't have Jaden McDaniels up there. Hopefully we'll get him soon. Oh, we do got a case hit. Ray Davis. Cooper DeJean on the hollow. Raider rookie on the blue sparkle. Braylon Allen, wah wah. There you go, not numbered, but case hit on the blue cosmic, whatever you call it. There you go. All right, last pack of the third blaster. Stage is set. Let's go. Zaire Franklin, A-Chain, Rook. Don't know how to say your last name, and Jalen Polk. All right, last blaster, last chance for a downtown or uptown. Still haven't pulled one of those in the Optic. See if we got a chance here. Justin Fields, Chuba Hubbard, DK Metcalf, and Ennis Rakestraw Jr. Right, here we go. Saquon, first purple shock, Spencer Rattler, Caleb Williams, let's go. Boom, baby. Sorry, Will Anderson. Gonna cover you up. Nice hit right there. We'll take it. Right, here we go. Jeremy Ruckert, Trey Henderson. Then we got a My House, Jawar Jordan. My House of Bo Nix. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, Braylon Allen. Cover you up. Right, here we go. Ooh, we got a Kendre Miller autograph, hash marks. Boom, let's go. All right, put that right there. Do a little recap. We got Xavier Worthy on the hollow and Anthony Gould on the rated rookie. All right. 2 more to go. Cameron Jordan, Kyler Murray, Brandon Fisk is our purple shock, and Keon Coleman. Last pack. Thank you everyone for stopping by. I really appreciate it. This has been super fun. Derek Carr. Got a Cooper DeJean. And our last purple shock. Rated rookie. Can we get a Jaden Daniels? No, a Luke McCaffrey. Wah wah. That's all right. Let's see what we got here. We got Bo Nix on the base. We got Caleb Williams on the purple shock. We got Will Anderson Jr. on the mem card. We got Kendre Miller on the hash marks. We got Marvin Harrison Jr., my top pick for top card of the night on the purple shock. We got a passing grade of JJ McCarthy. We got a JJ McCarthy on the purple shock. Nice little color match there. And we got a Caleb Williams on the base. We got a Drake May on the rookie recruits. And we got a Bo Nix on the My House. And we got a Braylon Allen on the blue cosmic dots. Other than that, that's all she wrote. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you tomorrow with some Heritage High number. Peace.